Hi, my name is Edge, and today, I'll tell you everything you need to know about Folifort supplement before actually buying the product. I also have two really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about Folifort supplement is, be careful with the website you're going to buy Folifort, because Folifort is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video and also fixed in the comments. So what is Folifort and does it actually work? And the answer is yes, Folifort really works. Folifort is a completely natural hair growth supplement that helps reverse the signs of hair loss and encourages natural healthier hair growth. Since it isn't a prescription drug, it can be purchased without a prescription. Folifort can be used by both men and women and promises to stop hair loss within a few weeks of use. Folifort employs a unique combination made entirely of natural substances to strengthen and stimulate existing hair follicles, reducing their likelihood of falling out. Simultaneously, the recipe stimulates hair regeneration at the cellular level, assisting in the regrowth of hair that has already been lost due to balding, something that very few other hair loss treatments claim to achieve. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people having great results with Folifort supplement, and you can have results as well. However, you need to keep in mind that each body will react in a unique way. That's a little bit obvious, but I'm telling you this so that you are realistic about your treatment and expectations. There's something really important about this product that you need to know before buying it. You can actually test Folifort pills for 60 full days, and if you don't see results, if you don't like it for any reason, they will give you your money back. Also, for Folifort to work, you need to take the treatment seriously. You need to take it every single day, or else you won't see great results and you'll actually get a little frustrated. You can see the initial results in the first month, but most people have better results after 3 months using this product. Also important for you to know, Folifort pills has no side effects since it is natural. So, I wanted to record this video, first to tell you to be careful with the website you are going to buy Folifort supplement, and also, if you do buy the product, do the exact treatment, take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from any other person because your organism acts in a very unique way. I really hope this video helped you, and I also hope that Folifort supplement actually helps you a lot to improve your life, and many other benefits that this product promotes.